So today I'm coming at you guys with some freshly washed hair, and I'm gonna be answering the question, does finger coiling actually work on damaged hair? See, I watch a lot of YouTube videos and I've seen a lot of people say that if you have damaged hair, you can curl train or train your hair to be curly again. And one of the methods that people say is finger coiling. Now, the problem is that I tried finger coiling back in 2016 when my hair was damaged. Here is when I tried to finger twirl my hair. If you look really closely, you can see that the ends of my hair did not finger curl. The one thing I'll say is if you have majority heat damaged hair, finger twirling is not going to work. If your curls don't curl in the first place, if you finger twirl it, it's still not going to curl. But since I've been hearing so many people say this, I figure, you know what, maybe I'm wrong. So today I'm actually going to be finger coiling my entire head and we're going to see how this turns out. Some of my hair is damaged, some of my hair is healthy. So yeah, I freshly washed my hair. Anyways, oof, my hair smells so good, but as you can see, my hair is extremely dry. So the first thing, we obviously need to re-wet this hair. Although I'm not gonna lie, like I love this volume, but yeah, we need to wet the hair because whenever we do like finger coiling or any type of brush styling, you always want to make sure that you start with wet hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna split my hair in half. Goodbye to all this volume. I love this volume. By the way, you can see too, like this is how my hair dries without any product in it. So yeah, I have no curl definition. Isn't that crazy? Like how my hair can go from this to like literally like 3B curls. All right, there we go. One side of my hair is wet. Let me wet the other side. So now that my hair is wet, I'm actually gonna go in with my styling product. Now this is very important. The styling product that you choose can literally make or break your finger coiling. So today I'm actually gonna be using a drugstore option. Let me show you guys this. It's pretty cool. This is what it looks like. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator. It's for dry, dehydrated hair, and it has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. What I like specifically about this styler is that it's a curl activator, so that works well with people that have damaged hair. Curl activator will basically help your hair to become more curlier. If you have type 3 hair, like you might think, why would I need that? I don't need my hair to be more curlier, but it actually helps out a lot, especially if you have damaged hair. Some of those wonky pieces of curls can kind of like help to be more uniform looking. So curl activators are definitely where it's at. And what I really love about this product is that this literally was made for finger coiling. It says right here on the back, section through damp hair, apply curl activator from root to tip, finger style to define curls. So this product was made for what we're going to be doing today. Now I'm literally just going to start off with a tiny bit of this. Because I have fine, thin hair, a little does go a long way. So you guys might laugh at how much I'm using. You can see like it's pretty creamy texture. It's pretty thick, like a very thick lotion. I love the way that it smells. It has a very like natural, earthy scent, like Mother Nature. I don't know. It smells really good. Actually, I'm gonna start at the top of my head and just kind of like barely glaze over it and then run it through the rest of my hair. I like this product because this gives you a nice slip that you need, especially when you're going to try to do something like finger coiling. Makes your hair just feel so silky and smooth. You just gotta be light-handed, or don't be heavy-handed if you have fine, thin hair, because it definitely can weigh your hair down. So yeah, like literally that's all I'm gonna need for my entire head. Like there's even, look, there's still product on my hand. Next, I'm gonna take my wet brush and I'm going to comb this product through my hair so that every single strand is coated with this curl activator. This is going to give me the best results because I'm not like missing any pieces of hair. I'm not going to have any frizzy pieces in there. Every single strand is going to be coated. I'm actually going to comb my hair all back because I do not wear a middle part. Hello. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start with the first vertical section in the back of my head. So I'm going from about ear level and making my first part, splitting my hair. So I'm going to be doing this section first, and then the top part of my hair, I'm just going to clip that up. Going back in with my wet brush because you really want to make sure that you smooth everything down. I'm taking just vertical sections from the left side of me. And then I'm just gonna see naturally like where my curls split. Literally this one fell by itself, but I'm making my curl chunks, I was gonna call them, or whatever. I think people say curl families, as big as the natural curls that I have on my head. So this one already fell down. So I'm literally just gonna start with this one on the bottom and then just twirl it around my finger and pull down. And you can see a healthy curl will just spring back by itself. But if yours doesn't, you can just do a little encouragement like this, but at the end we're gonna scrunch it, so it doesn't really matter. So just wrap it around your finger like this, pull down. So we got this first little section done, and I'm just gonna scrunch it up like so, and there you go, there's the first section done. Okay, so I have the back section complete now. You guys can see, looks like some pretty beautiful curls. What I'm seeing in the mirror, it looks like some pretty nice defined curls. So now I'm gonna do next section of my hair. I feel like the easiest thing to do is to go from like your temple and part backwards. So I'm gonna do both on the right side, this side, and then on my left side the same thing. And then I'm gonna work on these two front sections next, and I'm just gonna clip up this middle part. I'm gonna continue to make vertical sections, make the next vertical section like that. And then I like to start from the bottom because it's easier to start from the bottom of the vertical section and then drop it and then do the next piece. And then that way you won't be like accidentally picking up other pieces of hair, you know? Okay, so when I reach like my crown section, what I like to do is I just twisted this front part and I'm working like from the back forward. I bring it to one side and then just starting like from the bottom like this, I'll just start finger coiling. Now I'm kind of like primarily in the bangs section of my hair, and I want to show you guys, this is how healthy hair finger coils, okay? You can see like it just curls back up by itself. Boom, you see that? Now damaged hair on the other hand doesn't do that. And I have noticed with the damaged pieces that I struggled to get them to like bounce back. They didn't. They just kind of fell flat. They didn't want to bounce back. And even though I tried, that literally bounced back into my eye. Even though I tried like a few times on the damaged pieces, they would not give me that spring back action and just curl like naturally, like how these front pieces are. Because these front pieces are literally so healthy. Let me show you guys. Boom. Up close. Look at this. Watch this one. Boom. You see that? Now, the last section of my hair. Oh, so excited. Alrighty. Yes, you guys, we are done. I'm gonna diffuse and I'll be back when my hair is 100% dry. So I started off by just hover diffusing, literally keeping the diffuser a couple of inches from my head. So yeah, I just did this focusing on the root area, but I'm always moving the diffuser along my head so I don't hover in one area for too long. And I kept doing this until I start to feel the cast form around my hair. Once the cast has formed around my hair, now it's safe for me, and I'm going in and I'm breaking up some of these curls, separating some of these curls. I'm doing this because I need volume. If you have medium to thick hair, you don't really need to break up your curls. You could just keep it like this and it will even last a lot longer. But for fine thin hair, this step is so important. Break up your hair, break up those curls, separate the curls like you see I'm doing, and then kind of like scrunch that cast out, and that will give you the most volume. All right. Man, okay, so I just finished diffusing, guys. Oh my gosh, this is literally a workout, okay? I'm so out of shape. Also, let me move my mic out of frame. First of all, because of this cream styler in my hair, I literally diffuse for maybe like 20 minutes straight, and I never have to diffuse for that long because my hair is high porosity, but this was like keeping my hair so moist. And actually, we're not done yet. I got one more step, okay? A little bit of oil in my hands. I'm gonna shake up these roots just a little bit. All right, I'm just gonna go in and shake. Ugh, I don't know why this feels so good right now. Shake up my bangs. My bangs just want to be perfect. Ugh, it's so annoying. Why can't the rest of my hair be like that? Then we'll take a look at these results as pretty much as much volume as I'm gonna be able to get without compromising my hair too much. Now, let's look at these results, guys. So first of all, I want to say my hair feels so soft. Now, as far as definition, here's the thing. As my hypothesis earlier in the video where I said only the healthy parts of your hair will curl, that's kind of exactly what happened. So as you can see, my bangs, which are the healthiest part of my hair because they're all new growth, my bangs are literally these perfect spiral curls. Now, as far as like some of the other parts of my hair that are damaged, I have damage mostly in the front of my hair from flat ironing, you know, always trying to frame your face. And as you can see, let's look at some of these pieces near the front of my head. You can see the pieces in the front of my hair. Although they did curl, they're wonky curls. They're not the same curl pattern as my bangs. They're definitely not like perfect ringlets like my bangs are. And they're definitely a looser pattern than the rest of my hair. I'm going to show you guys a really good example of like, look at how this curl, it starts off being super, super tight and defined, and then it ends off being very, very loose. And then I'm going to show you guys like a completely healthy long piece of hair, how beautiful it curls. So yeah, if you were honestly to ask me like, does finger coiling work on damaged hair? I'm still gonna have to say no, because my damaged hair didn't curl any more than it would have if I didn't finger coil, you know what I mean? Like just from scrunching alone, you can get your damaged hair to have a little bit of kink in it, a little bit of curl in it. So for me, like considering all of the time and effort that it takes to do this, if you have damaged hair, I don't think that it's worth it. I feel like just getting yourself a good curl activator, using a brush and scrunching hard will get you some nice definition. And also to address the topic of like curl training, because I've heard this word kind of get thrown around a lot, and it's also like being thrown around by people that don't actually have damaged hair, which is annoying. Okay, so here's the thing. As somebody who has had damaged hair for a good portion, just look back on my channel from 9 years ago. My first video that I ever posted was heat damaged hair. 6 years ago, I went through anemia, lost my hair, had to grow it back. Right now, going through thyroid hormonal issues, lost my hair, also suffering from heat damage. So I'm pretty much the professional when it comes to damage and recovery of hair, okay? The concept of curl training is not a thing. Like people will tell you, oh, you can remind your curls how to be curly. That's not how the bonds of our hair work. Once those bonds are broken, you can't really do anything except for like using like bond builders or shampoo and conditioner that are bond building to try to help a little bit bring the curl back. But really, there's nothing you could do except for grow your hair. Now, the reason why people might think that there is such a thing as curl training is because over time, naturally, the more you wash your hair, the more water goes into your hair and moisture goes into your hair, over time, your hair will start to get more healthier. And so that's when you start to see like your curls get better and better. But it's not from any curl training or from coiling your hair or twisting or whatever. Those things do not train your hair. Even if you didn't do all of that, your hair would become more curlier. When you're on a healthy hair journey, over time, your hair becomes more healthier. That's it. It's that simple. It's like the whole concept of heat training a while ago. A couple years ago, people were talking about heat training your hair how to, you know, be used to heat or flat iron. Anyways, I just wanted to clear that up as a fellow girl who suffered from multiple different types of hair damages and hair loss. But I am always like an open book and I always want to learn. So if you guys feel like curl training is a real thing and maybe there's something that I don't know or something that I missed, leave a comment down below and let me know about it. And also let me know what you guys think about this finger coiling, because it took me about, I would say 25 to 30 minutes to do my complete head and I have fine thin hair. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these results. Anyways, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.